What if the most iconic monument in human history isn't just an ancient tomb, but a doorway to forgotten science and suppressed truths? What if the Great Pyramid of Giza, visible from space, shrouded in mystery, holds the secrets of a civilization far older and far more advanced than we've ever been taught? Welcome to Mystic Origins, where we decode ancient puzzles and investigate the impossible. In today's video, we're diving deeper than the Nile ever flowed, into the strange, fascinating, and chilling possibilities behind the Great Pyramid. From secret chambers and bizarre energy fields, to cosmic alignments and the fossilized proof of lost worlds, this is the story mainstream history won't tell you. Stay with us, and by the end, you might question everything you thought you knew about the ancient world. Let's begin. The Great Pyramid of Giza is one of the last remaining wonders of the ancient world, and the only one still standing. Estimated to have been built around 2500 BCE, it consists of over 2.3 million limestone and granite blocks, some weighing more than 15 tons each. We are taught that this engineering marvel was built using basic copper tools, wooden sledges, and thousands of laborers over a period of 20 years. But let's stop and truly ask, is that even possible? First, let's consider the manpower. Even if 100,000 workers toiled non-stop day and night, it would require placing one massive stone every 2.5 minutes, 24 hours a day for 2 entire decades, without a single delay. No breaks, no errors. Then there's the logistics. Many of the pyramid's stones came from quarries over 500 miles away. The massive granite blocks found in the king's chamber were transported from Aswan in Upper Egypt. Without cranes, pulleys, or even the wheel, how were these transported over vast desert terrain, across rivers, and placed with millimeter precision? The base of the pyramid covers over 13 acres. Each side is almost exactly 230.4 meters long, with an error of less than 0.1%. The entire structure is aligned almost perfectly with true north, more accurate than the Royal Observatory in Greenwich. Even modern construction with GPS and lasers would struggle to replicate this feat. So, how did they do it? Some suggest that the builders possessed lost technology, acoustic levitation, anti-gravity tools, or forgotten forms of energy manipulation. Others believe the pyramid wasn't constructed at all. It was unearthed or repaired by the ancient Egyptians after being built by a lost civilization. And while there are dozens of theories, there's one thing all sides agree on. The construction of the Great Pyramid defies what we thought ancient humans were capable of. What if the pyramid isn't just a tomb or a monument, but a cosmic calendar encoded in stone? The placement of the Great Pyramid isn't random. It lies on the exact intersection of the Earth's longest line of latitude and longest line of longitude, making it the most precisely located structure on the planet. The sides of the pyramid are aligned to the cardinal directions with extraordinary accuracy. But even more fascinating, its proportions encode fundamental constants of mathematics and physics. The perimeter divided by the height equals 2p, representing the relationship between a circle's diameter and its circumference. The layout of the 3 pyramids at Giza perfectly mirrors the belt stars of Orion. The descending passage points directly to the North Star, which has shifted over time due to precession. Is it possible that the builders had knowledge of celestial mechanics that wouldn't be discovered again until the invention of the telescope? According to the Orion correlation theory, the pyramids were built to honor the gods of the stars and align the pharaohs with the afterlife in the heavens. But some take it further, that the pyramids served as stellar communication hubs or even landing markers for beings from beyond Earth. Regardless of the theory, what is certain is this: the astronomical precision of the pyramids suggests an understanding of the cosmos far deeper than most ancient cultures are credited with. Mainstream archaeologists insist that the Great Pyramid was a tomb, but curiously, no mummy has ever been found inside. What has been found, however, is even stranger: electromagnetic anomalies, unexplainable acoustic properties, and unusual preservation effects. Some theorists believe the pyramid was an energy machine, designed to harness natural frequencies of the Earth and convert them into usable power. The internal structure supports this theory. The so-called air shafts point directly to star systems. The king's chamber resonates at a frequency of 432 Hz, the same frequency ancient cultures believed to be healing. The materials used, limestone, granite, basalt, all have high piezoelectric properties. Experiments have shown that the pyramid shape focuses energy in its core. Objects placed in the center decay slower, retain freshness, and display magnetic anomalies. In the 20th century, Soviet scientists replicated the pyramid shape and documented similar results. Seeds exposed to pyramid energy grew faster. Bacteria weakened. Water crystallized differently. Could the pyramid have served as a global wireless energy station, akin to Tesla's visions of free energy? Or perhaps it wasn't just technological, but spiritual, a resonance chamber for astral travel, consciousness elevation, or communication with other realms. We may never know for certain. But dismissing these anomalies as coincidence feels more irrational than the theories themselves. Throughout history, accounts have surfaced that suggest ancient humans possessed far greater knowledge than we give them credit for. One example is the discovery of ancient batteries near Baghdad, the Baghdad Battery. Dating back over 2,000 years, this artifact consists of a clay jar with a copper cylinder and an iron rod. Filled with an acidic solution, to generate a small electrical charge. Why would ancient people build something resembling a battery? What were they powered with? Then there's the mysterious computer. An ancient Greek analog computer discovered in a shipwreck could predict celestial events with stunning accuracy, dating back to the 2nd century BC. Such sophistication wouldn't be seen again until the Renaissance. In Egypt, ancient carvings in the Dendera temple depict what appears to be much more. Engineers have recreated the design. Yes, it works. All around the world, megalithic sites like Stonehenge, Puma Punku, and the Osirian feature stones that seem laser-cut, interlocked without mortar, and aligned with astronomical bodies. Could these be remnants of a global lost civilization that once shared knowledge? Some believe this knowledge was deliberately hidden or lost due to great cataclysms, wars, or religious purges. The burning of the Library of Alexandria is one such event where vast volumes of ancient knowledge were destroyed. Were these just coincidences, or part of a larger effort to erase human history? Could giants have once walked the earth? In various ancient texts and religious scriptures, from the Bible to the Book of Enoch, references are made to beings known as Nephilim, Watchers, and Titanic rulers. These giants are often described as descending from the heavens and intermingling with humans. In Egypt, statues of pharaohs and deities are often 10 to 20 feet tall. Were these symbolic or literal? Reports from early 20th century archaeologists mention the discovery of massive human skeletons, up to 12 meters tall, found in burial chambers across Egypt, the Middle East, and even North America. Most of these reports were buried, discredited, or lost over time. Could these giants have been the original builders of the pyramids and other megalithic sites? Some ancient astronaut theorists go even further, suggesting that these beings weren't terrestrial at all. Depictions of winged gods, beings in helmets and flying chariots, appear in Sumerian, Mayan, and Indian artifacts. From the Dogon tribe's advanced astronomical knowledge to Hopi prophecies of sky people, indigenous stories across continents speak of contact with beings from the stars. Whether literal or metaphorical, the consistency of these myths cannot be ignored. They may hold the key to understanding our past and how the pyramids truly came to be. The Great Pyramid may be more than a monument. It might be a message. Beneath its layers of stone lie chambers still unexplored. In 2017, scientists using cosmic ray scans discovered a massive void above the Grand Gallery, nearly 100 feet long. Its purpose remains unknown. What's inside? Could it house ancient scrolls, alien relics, or something beyond imagination? Furthermore, the pyramid's design itself is packed with numerical significance. The height, the angles, the base dimensions, they mirror Earth's geography, solar distances, and mathematical constants. It's almost as if the pyramid was a time capsule, intended to survive for millennia and teach future civilizations. Egyptian legends speak of the Hall of Records, hidden beneath the Sphinx, said to contain all the knowledge of the ancient world. Many believe this vault has yet to be found, or has been found and hidden. What if the Great Pyramid is not only a tomb or a machine, but a final warning? Or a guidepost for humanity to rediscover lost truths? The deeper we go, the more questions emerge. Why does mainstream academia still dismiss alternative theories despite mounting evidence? What are we afraid to uncover? Could the Great Pyramid truly be the last remaining artifact of a world wiped away by flood, fire, or silence? Perhaps it's time we look not at what history tells us, but at what it chooses not to say. The Great Pyramid stands not just as a relic of the past, but as a challenge, a riddle, a beacon, not of what we were, but of what we've forgotten. Could the Great Pyramid be the legacy of a forgotten civilization far more advanced than we ever imagined? Let us know what you believe. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this video sparked your curiosity, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hit the bell so you won't miss the next episode of Mr. World. Until then, stay curious, because some truths are buried deeper than stone.